Welcome to the stunning Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore. Walking into the lobby, you can just get a sense for the scale of this beautiful luxury hotel. Every inch from the benches to the chandelier is immaculate and exactly what you'd expect from a venue this iconic. As you can see, we were in Tower 2, level 37, and the first thing you see in the room when you turn to the left is a massive closet, one of many in the hotel room, with padded hangers and a plush bathrobe. Then we pop into the commode, which had its own sink, which was nice, and a toilet with a bidet that opens automatically, which was a bit unusual for us Americans. Then we head into the main restroom, which has a massive stone tub, beautiful dual marble sinks with amenities, and turning to the right, a massive walk-in shower. Coming into the room, passing the restroom, you can see we have a double queen room that looks out onto downtown Singapore, and in between the beds is all of the lighting controls for the room, international plugs, USB-A and USB-C plugs, as well as complimentary water. Across from the beds is a massive TV and TV stand, along with a mini bar, which has pre-made Singapore slings, the best drink in Singapore, old-fashioned and Negroni. On the table next to our bed, you can see a white chocolate replica of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, which was waiting for us in the room, totally complimentary. It tasted delicious, and the view outside, well, it was just incredible. Here's a look at the tea cabinet, which had teas above the coffee maker, snacks, and beverages, along with complimentary water, and of course, complimentary Marina Bay Sands postcards, which, of course, we had to take a couple. No visit to the Marina Bay Sands is complete without a visit to the Sky Park, which includes arguably the most famous pool in the world, connecting the three towers with an infinity edge look out onto the Singapore skyline. What an iconic hotel, and if you have the opportunity, I highly recommend a visit. If you have any questions about the hotel or the resort or fun things to do in Singapore, please let me know in the comments down below, and thank you for watching.